Hello and welcome everybody, it's Karen. I've got three simple, easy, but fun cards to share today. I am using this new stamp set from Whimsy Stamps. It's the Old Fart Couple, and I love the sentiments on this. They are just really fun and a little bit snarky. So for my first card, I decided to make it a birthday card, and that's the sentiment I'm going to use. Now I've got a piece of lilac A2 size cardstock that I decided to use this sunray stencil on. I just thought that was kind of a fun base for that couple to be coming from. Now I'm going to use my Liquitex Gloss Heavy Gel. I use this all the time. But this time I'm just going to put it straight on as is. I'm not mixing it with any ink, and it will give me a slightly darker ray where that gel is, and also very shiny and very glossy, which you may see in a little bit here. So I put that aside to dry, and I have cut 3 of the Wonky Window 4 die set here, and I am stacking them up and gluing them all together. Now that one bar down at the bottom, I didn't put any glue on because I'm actually going to cut that one out. So here I am cutting it out, and that will just give me a bit more space for that couple to fit into this part. I thought would add a bit more interest to my card front. So that was why I decided to use that. So I can glue this down now. I've got my stenciled background attached to my card base, and then this will go right over top. Now I have popped that couple up on some double-sided foam tape, and I want them to go right down at the bottom at the beginning of all those rays. So I'm popping them down. You have to admit, though, that's a pretty cute couple. Now I've stamped Happy Birthday here, and I've put a little bit of foam tape in the middle section where it spans those two posts or bars there, and a bit of glue at the ends just to hold it down. And then I'm just going to glue this sentiment right down onto that background piece there. And then the only thing left that I did was I put a little glossy accents on the coffee cups. And I just called that done. I just thought that was really quite fun. Okay, so the second card, I am going to use these, what are these? Mix and match scalloped dies. I've cut my white cardstock out of that, and then I embossed it with the Floating Hearts cover plate die, which is a new die, but it has all those really pretty hearts on it. So I'm putting a piece of sort of pinky red cardstock down onto my card base to cover the front, and then I will just glue this embossed piece right over the middle of that. Now I have this sentiment here, and I want this to be a speech bubble, but because I don't have a speech bubble die, I'm going to make one. And so I'm just deciding here, do I want this to go on an angle or go straight? And I ended up going with on an angle, and I will draw a little bit, it's kind of like a comma, just that little, I don't know what you call that little swirl there. And then I cut straight across from both sides to that, trying to keep it fairly even from left to right, and then I just cut out that little swirl. So if you had a speech bubble die, that would be fantastic, especially if it was big enough to fit this whole sentiment. So once I had that done, I sort of fine-tuned that bottom. It was pretty pointy, so I just cut some of that off. And then I corner rounded all my corners. I just like them to be rounded. Now, I felt like it was missing something, so I've taken my Copic marker. That was R83, I believe, that I used, and I'm just going to fill in some of those hearts. Not all of them, but just a few in sort of random spaces. And then I've popped my couple up on foam tape again, and I also popped up that sentiment on the foam tape. I felt like it needed to be up and away from the background a little bit as well. So we'll just attach that down. And then that was that card done. Really quick and simple, but fun. Okay, so this is the third card. Now you're probably going to be going, well, how does this use that same stamp set? But you'll see in a bit. I am using the Country Farm background paper. It's a 6x6, so I trimmed it down 1/4 of an inch on all 4 sides, And then I have the old fart grandmas and grandpas here. And these are actually card fronts. So you could put them right onto an A2 card and just add a sentiment or two and you're done. But I chose to cut them out. So I fussy cut out both the grandpa and the grandma. And I've put the grandma up on some foam tape. So he's going to be glued straight down to the background there. But I wanted her to come forward just a little bit. So I'll attach him down to the back. You have to admit, these two guys go really well together on that farm. They look like they belong there. Now that little cane was pretty thin. It was too thin for foam tape, so I'm just putting some glue on that. And then I will position her down and just a little bit to the left of Grandpa. And make sure that cane is stuck down. So that's that. Now it's fun with that dimension there and the fact that she's further ahead than him. Now I'm going to use the Fun with Words 1 die set. I love this set because the font is really fun. It's a nice size and a little bit quirky. I like it so much that I have a little note in there as to which letters I'm missing and how to make them. So I just fussy cut out of red cardstock Happy Anniversary. And I'm going to put all those letters up on the top there. And I saved you the agony of watching me piece them all in. But here it is, Happy Anniversary. And now I'll take that same piece of Glad Press and Seal. And I will just pick all of these letters up at once. And so once they're all picked up and I'm sure that I'm not missing any pieces, then I can peel the whole thing off nice and carefully, and I can add some glue to the back of all of these letters now so that I can put them all down as a whole. So it's nice that that press and seal is transparent and you can see your background. You can see exactly where you need to put it. So I'm just going to put those down right above their heads. Hopefully I'm straight and even. And then just press them down, make sure you've got them all pressed down and that the glue is sticking. And then you can peel off that press and seal and the letters will hopefully stay on. Now, this little sentiment from that Old Fart Couple stamp set is the one I chose. Now, I thought this was really quite fun. So I've made a speech bubble and that's for Grandma. So I'm just tucking that in beside her. I thought that was funny. I don't know. It's a little snarky, a little funny. So there you go. There's Grandma killing it. So thanks for stopping by, everybody. I hope I've given you some ideas on how to use that stamp set. I hope everybody's having a great day and I will talk to you again the next time. Bye.